Comprehensive Training DVD Preview. Until recently, being trained to give colon hydrotherapy treatments has been costly and time-consuming. But now, complete clinical training is available in easy-to-follow DVD format. These comprehensive training DVDs eliminate the need for busy medical professionals to travel long distances and pay high tuition costs just to learn how to give colon hydrotherapy treatments. Each Aquanet device has a corresponding training DVD. Your Aquanet comes with a training DVD that not only explains in detail how to use the Aquanet device that you purchase, but it also trains the viewer to give a safe and effective colon hydrotherapy treatment in a clinical setting. We begin the training by listing the contraindications to colon hydrotherapy to ensure that treatments are only given in safe circumstances. We move on to the basic principles of colon hydrotherapy, explaining clearly how a treatment works. We provide an overview of the Aquanet device, identifying all of the knobs and gauges and their functions that you will need to be familiar with when giving treatments. We look at the disposable speculum kit and outline the contents and function of each item. We explain how to prepare the Aquanet unit for treatments. This includes instructions on how to warm up the treatment water to a comfortable temperature. We detail the steps that should be taken prior to the arrival of your first patient. This includes ensuring that you are wearing appropriate attire, scrubs or lab coat, putting fresh linen or paper on the treatment table, ensuring that the treatment room is stocked with the necessary supplies, etc. We give suggestions on how to explain a colon hydrotherapy treatment to a patient that is receiving this treatment for the first time to help set them at ease. We outline in detail how to proceed at the start of the treatment, beginning with additional suggestions to help set the patient at ease. Successful colon hydrotherapy treatments rely on the patient feeling comfortable and relaxed, so we will touch upon how to ensure that this happens several times during the course of the training. We then provide guidelines on how to choose the correct speculum for each individual patient based on the patient's size, age, and weight. We go on to explain how to safely insert the anal speculum, and we outline the specific steps that should be taken when beginning water flow. We explain clearly various techniques, tips, and tricks that you can use to ensure efficacy and efficiency of treatment. This advice will allow you to ensure that even patients that initially have trouble moving waste will see success during the treatment. Flow rate guidelines in gallons per hour are included here. We explain when and how to apply abdominal massage. The techniques provided ensure that hardened waste is loosened to allow for expulsion. We outline how to end a treatment, and finally, we give comprehensive instruction on cleaning up post-treatment and sanitizing the Aquanet's waste pathway and the internal water lines. Everything that you will need to know in order to give safe and effective colon hydrotherapy treatments is covered in these training DVDs, which make clinical training simple, convenient, and cost-effective.